It's 7:30. Got the fire lit just now. After a while, be roasting the brats. I still got those 4 logs over there to put on later on. Got all the logs on now. I'm gonna start roasting after a while here. Still got plenty of heat for a long time, so don't worry. Time to roast. Well, I ate 2 brats, and this is how the campfire looks now. I had 12 logs I started out with. They're all in there. Okay, it's about 8:40 right now. About 20 to 9. Nice and quiet and calm. It looks like it's clearing up now too. Notice it's brighter out that way. And the sun's shining on the top of the trees there, so wow. It must be clearing up. This is what I like about camping. Moments like this. That's currently how the fire is. I have been roasting marshmallows. Already got some s'mores made. I'm eating one right now, in fact. This one I used a regular size marshmallow. I used the jumbos for those two. So, anyways, that's a kind of little update. And I forgot to look to see what time it was again. That's how it looks right now. Okay, it's 9:30. Still putting out some good heat. Perfect for roasting marshmallows. Okay. I ate a regular s'mores with the regular marshmallows, and I just finished eating the s'more with the jumbo. The jumbo marshmallows are the way to go for making s'mores. I still got one there. I'm going to make another one, and that one's going to be a jumbo, no doubt about it. Way better than the regular size marshmallows. Wow, that was something else. Oh man, you know what happened? I had just filmed myself eating a s'more with the jumbo marshmallow, and the camera was not recording. So I had to hurry up and make another one, hopefully before it gets too dark, but it kind of looks like it has. Oh man. But anyways, I'm gonna take and film it anyhow. The jumbo marshmallows are so much better for s'mores. But anyways, I'm gonna take and eat it. Mmm. Yeah, that's good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Maybe it looks better in the dark. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. That hit the spot. Delicious. Just gonna get up here and maybe get the lighting a little bit better over here. And I got marshmallow. Oh well. I think heading home tomorrow. This is my final night here at Itasca, so I'm going to take an end today, right now, but not ending the video. I'll do a clip in the morning. So right after this, it's going to be for you. It's going to be in the morning. I'll be saying good morning, hopefully. Okay, one more video clip. It's 10 o'clock p.m. right now. And so, see you in the morning. And a good morning, everybody. It's a really beautiful morning. And this is the day that I have not been waiting for. I have to leave. I have to go back to work this afternoon. But anyways, and I already got the bike loaded up. I already had breakfast and everything. So I didn't shower here, though. I decided I was going to shower here, but I decided it's only a couple hours drive before I get home, and then I'll just shower when I get home instead. So anyway, let's take one last look around the camp. Yes. There we go. This is it. Itasca 2024. Trip is coming to a close. One last look at the fire pit. That's what's left of those 12 logs I had last night. Wow. The van. I really like camping with the van. You know, with the motorcycle and the trailer and the tent. You know, it takes all this packing and preparation, and then I have to repack everything again, and then with this, all I had to do was load up the bike and I'm ready. But I am going to, I'm still going to be doing the motorcycle trips, no doubt about it. Still motorcycle camping trips. Got Sturgis coming up soon. So, but anyways, Itasca 2024 is coming to close. I love coming here, but I will be coming back. Like in 2 years, I'll be having my 10-year YouTube channel anniversary, and Itasca State Park was one of the places I visited on my very first year, and on my anniversary years I always I go back. I did the 5-year, and also I will be doing the 10-year too, so I'll be back again to Itasca. I don't know if I'm going to be here before then, but I do come to Itasca on off years too, even when it's not an anniversary year. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this trip. That's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me for this trip, and stay tuned for the next one.